This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. With the new Omicron variant of coronavirus causing concern, we appeal to our listeners to be vigilant and to get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, to get vaccinated. Please continue to follow these 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki doori for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 011-2397-1075. And for Meghalaya helpline numbers are 14410 and for emergency 108. And now the news in detail. In Manipur, where the first phase of assembly elections will be held on the 28th of February, campaigning has reached its peak, with political parties reaching out to people to seek votes for the candidates. Convener of the Northeast Democratic Alliance and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, who is campaigning in Manipur, asserted that the BJP will form the next government without any assistance from other parties. Senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister Okramai Bobby Singh said that the BJP will not return to form the new government and added that the same will apply for the centre in 2024. He maintained that the people want change and are fed up with the current dispensation. Minister of Development of Northeast Region G. Kishan Reddy has said that there is immense potential for micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs in the Northeast. These include agriculture, food processing, tourism, mineral-based industries, information technology and infrastructure. He said that this huge potential needs to be tapped for bringing about inclusive development in the region. The minister was addressing the Northeast MSME Conclave, Building Competitiveness for Leveraging Opportunities, organized by the Confederation of Indian Industries. Mr. Kishan said that the centre has remained committed to empowering the MSMEs and the recent budget has given a further push to make them more competitive. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday inaugurated the Laitjem Health Sub Centre in East Khasi Hills district. He said that investing in and improving the healthcare infrastructure has been the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government's major pursuit. The government's mission is to bring basic primary healthcare closer to the people. He said the Health Sub Centre will take care of healthcare needs of 6 villages in the Laitjem region. The 2nd Bangladesh Film Festival was inaugurated by Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar in Agartala yesterday. Mr. Deb said that with the opening of new channels of communication, including waterways and railways, Tripura is becoming the commercial corridor of the Northeast and also providing huge potential for film making. Tripura and Bangladesh share many similarities in cultures, and such programs are a big step towards increasing harmony in the region through cultural exchanges between the 2 countries. Information and Broadcasting Minister of Bangladesh Hassan Mahmood said that India and Bangladesh have many things in common and cultural exchange programs can bring the 2 countries closer. He expressed deep gratitude to the people of Tripura and the Government of India for their support during the Liberation War of Bangladesh in 1971. A documentary on the life of Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, A Daughter's Tale, was screened on the first day of the film festival. The Ministry of External Affairs has approved the proposal of the Meghalaya government to establish a memorial of Khasi freedom fighter Tirot Sing at the Indian Embassy in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The initiative is a part of the celebration of India's 75 years of independence, the 50th year of the Bangladesh Liberation War, and the Golden Jubilee year of Meghalaya's statehood. Principal Secretary of Art and Culture Department F.R. Karkongor yesterday informed that the Meghalaya government felt the need for a memorial for Tirot Sing in Dhaka since he was one of the first tribal leaders of the freedom movement. He also mentioned that Meghalaya was one of the frontline states during the Liberation War of Bangladesh, and 2022 marks 50 years of bilateral relations between the 2 friendly neighboring countries. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.